Mastering video creation made easy. Unleash the power of Shuffll, your AI-powered virtual studio. Hi, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to use Shuffll, the AI-powered virtual studio that lets you create incredible videos in minutes. If you've ever struggled with video production or spent hours editing and designing, Shuffll is about to change the game for you. Let's dive in. 1. Shuffll, your AI-powered video studio. Meet Shuffll, a web-based platform that harnesses the cutting-edge power of OpenAI's GPT-3 technology. With Shuffll, you can easily generate content, art, and storyline for your videos, making the entire video creation process a breeze. 2. Simple and efficient. Using Shuffll is a breeze. All you need to do is write your video concept, and Shuffll takes care of the rest. Whether it's marketing, sales, training, HR, or any other video need, Shuffll's got you covered. No more racking your brain for ideas or wasting time on tedious tasks. 3. Flexible options. Shuffll offers flexibility like no other. You can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates to speed up your video creation process. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, create your own video from scratch and let your creativity run wild. 4. Effortless recording. Recording your videos with Shuffll is a breeze. You don't need fancy equipment or editing skills. Simply use your webcam or smartphone and follow the prompts on the screen. Shuffll automatically adds scenes, visual and audio effects, and smooth transitions to make your videos look professional. 5. Trusted by leading brands. Don't just take our word for it. Shuffll is trusted by industry giants like Microsoft, Intel, and Voom, who rely on it to create engaging video series for their audiences. Check out their success stories on Shuffll's website to see the impressive results. 6. Try Shuffll for yourself. Ready to experience the magic of Shuffll for yourself? You can sign up for a free demo at https://shuffll.com/ and explore all the incredible features and capabilities Shuffll has to offer. It's time to level up your video production game. 7. Unleash the power of AI. Shuffll is the ultimate tool for creating video content with the power of AI. It saves you time, money, and hassle while delivering high-quality results. So why wait? Unlock the power of AI in your videos and see the impact it can have on your projects. Thanks for joining us today to discover the wonders of Shuffll, the AI-powered virtual studio. Say goodbye to complicated video creation and say hello to simplicity and efficiency. Don't forget to visit https://shuffll.com/ to try Shuffll for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy video creating with Shuffll.